Dear WordPress users, there was a plugin which was created earlier in 2014 for those websites which were normally hosted on free web hosting packages. So normally they offer you free space, and later with some reasons, with or even without informing you, they can remove your files and database. So I created this plugin for those guys who were using free hosting space. So what was exactly at this time, at that time, in fact it was weekly, monthly, yearly and daily basis database backup, because database is important to you. And it can be configured as cron, or maybe default, with default settings, that whenever you will visit your website and open your admin panel, you can simply click on download backup, complete database backup. So a few seconds it will take and it will be here. Even you can just keep creating new backups, and you can keep all the log on server in case you want to download. It can be downloaded. Right. Now I will show you how you can install that backup again in case you need that. So the basic purpose was just to keep your database secure. So here, backup now menu is having all the backup archives, and this is something automated, which will automatically take the backup and will send it to you in your email, and on this email, and it will create a log in case you need that. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can retrieve the database backup. Import, downloads, backup, right? So there is no premium version at this moment. I couldn't release that. That was a bigger idea. I couldn't make it happen yet using Amazon. So these are just a few links. How to restore backup files. You can read about this here. I will paste this URL in the video description. Look here, it's installed in androidmobile.com, and options. You see this? The same thing which we recently downloaded. Thank you so much. This is how you can use it, and in case you want to use it with some cron, so developers can easily understand that how they can use this cron feature. Thank you.